What's up, Fitted Squad? It's Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day. It's not going to be a long video, and the rules will be simple. It's going to be just, all you have to do is be subscribed and comment below to get entered in the giveaway. So definitely go ahead and do that. Doesn't matter what you comment. And unless you say you don't want to win, then if you win, then you won't. I guess I'll reach out to you, see if you really wanted it or not. But yeah, anyway, this will be for the kit. Let me show you the kit real quick. Alright, so a lot of people have been asking me, does this have any other colors? Because all they ever see is blue. It does have other colors. The reason they only see blue is because I kind of like how the blue looks. But as you can see, it's transitioning to purple here. So this one actually has quite a few. It has a lot of modes as well. Right now it just goes between blue, teal, and purple. But let's see. Alright, so I have it set to the microphone right now. It's going by my voice. So that's another option you have. You can set up different scenes. There's a lot of different modes you can choose as well. So like they got a romantic theme, they got a candlelight, energetic, like it's so much that you can actually choose. See, but yeah, so this is going to be the kit. It should fit just about any car. Just it kind of depends. As long as you don't have a limo or something crazy, it should work for your car. All right, I just went back to my normal thing. But yeah, let me see. Have the actual kit. Let me get one that doesn't have a label on it. So this is it right here. So yeah, what I'll do is this giveaway is going to be live for a week. So next Friday I'm going to close it. I'm going to do a random comment selector to choose who's going to win, and once that's done, I'll go ahead and reach out to them and send the kit off to them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Good luck. We're going to do some more giveaways later. Let me know if you guys will be interested in the star headliner giveaway, because that's going to be what I'm doing next. Let me know if you guys are interested in that, or if you guys want another LED kit giveaway. I could probably do a few more of those. It's pretty affordable, so I could definitely hook people up with that. So let me know if you guys are interested in those kind of giveaways. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Oh, also, the mask I was wearing is on the website. That'll be linked down below, as well as a bunch of other ones and custom ones as well. So don't forget the merch in the description below. But yeah, like I was saying, thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.